Welcome to Piggypower. On this another quick short little episode guide, we're going to do a fuel filter on the 2 litre HDI Peugeot 306. So, engine cover off first. Now we're going to be able to do the fuel filter change, I reckon, in under 60 seconds. If you've got one of these covers and it's got little clips, you can literally just rip them off. I've done a little guide, make them a bit tidier because the other little clippy things break. So let's get this out of the way and then we'll get round to it. We might speed this bit up. Right, fuel filter. Let's get the tool, let's get the filter, bit of grag, and let's come back. Okay, you will still with me. The tools you're going to need is a little screwdriver or two, like that. You get rid of that thing. And you need a 22mm socket. 22mm socket for the top here. Get some rags. You're going to make a bit of a mess. Try not to chuck dirt into the fuel system. Bad idea. We've got somewhere to chuck the old fuel filter because it will just be dripping everywhere. We've got the new fuel filter and we've got the seal that goes around here. So let's get the fuel lines off first. You push in the little tab. One is green and one is clear. Sometimes you need to give it a little bit of a twist, just gently, just to break the seal off a little bit, and that helps pull it off. And the other one is clear or white. Push that in again, give it a twist and pull it away. Just like that. Let's get you in a bit closer. We are ticking on the time here. So, restart the clock. We've got rid of this one, we've got rid of this one. And now we're going to take off that main one. You can very gently just lift them out the way. They're going to drip a little bit on you. Not the end of the world. And twist about 90 degrees. Bunch of fuel will dribble down. There is a catch tray I've got underneath here, because when you're doing the fuel filter, it's always, you're probably doing an oil filter change as well. Now, let the majority of that just drip off, like so, and then you can lift off the fuel filter, chuck that in there, chuck that there. We're going to lift out, sometimes you need a screwdriver, we're going to lift out the seal, put that in there. The new seal, let's put that like that. Use a bit of the fuel just to put it around that seal. Then the new filter, try not to get your dirty hands on the new filter. We're going to just slide that in like that. Now we do probably find it easier to put it in the bottom there. And the reason is, there's a little shape to it. See that shape? You have to match that shape to the shape at the bottom. It'll just slide in. Wait, fuel everywhere. Like that. I'm just going to clean off the top because I've just got a dirty fingerprint on that. That's not good. Right. And then we get the lid again. We slide that on. That's 90 degrees angle. And you should feel it lock in. Now let's get our 22mm again. Push down and twist. Reconnect that one and that one, and then all you need to do is cycle through the ignition a few times. I'd recommend a half a dozen times, and it will self-prime that fuel filter, check for leaks, and then clean it off with some brake clean. There we go. There was my quick guide on changing a 2 litre HDI fuel filter on a Peugeot 306. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.